So welcome back students. As we are discussing, the original array was passed from the string value. We get the array, and this original array, it will be given as an argument to a object of inc. Now what is incr decr? It is a object of demo inheritance. What is a demo inheritance? Demo inheritance is the class. incr is the object of the demo inheritance with a new keyword demo inheritance. So incr dcr can access the functions of demo. So what are the demo inheritances has? It has one function called sendLab2. So what is its purpose? Its purpose is going to accept the integer array. It's going to accept a integer array. It's going to accept a integer array, and it is going to decrement it by 5. All the values. So currently we are taking two values. So ARR 0 and ARR 1 is going to reduce by 5. Put it into a new array. int sendback array is equal to ARR 0 minus 5 comma ARR 1 minus 5. This is the first value, this is the second value, and it will return this array. So what is the return type? Return type is int. Return type is int array. So this is going to return. So what is this name function? Some function is sendLab2. So sendLab2 is going to return, and the answer is going to store in result. Now you will see that before using sendLab2, incr is using something called please send, but here there is no please send function. You see, there is no please send function. So next class we will see how please send is accessing.